have a situation here where I have a large document that I need to review before clicking on and agreeing to the terms of service. What you see here is terms of service for Google Cloud Platform. And what I'm going to do is going to go to the top of it and I'm going to highlight the entire text. So I'm going to click on the top and start to highlight it. You can see, I'll go to the left and click on the whole thing. And then I'm going to page down to the bottom of the document. I'm going to hit Shift and then click on the bottom, which will highlight the entire passage that I want to understand. Going to click on that, right click, and then hit Copy. And then I'm going to jump over to ChatGPT, and then I'm going to ask it a question. Can you use simple terms to explain this document? Question mark. Then I'm going to hit right click and then hit Paste. And the entire document is going to be loaded onto the screen there. I'll hit the up arrow and then ChatGPT takes over. It does an analysis and provides a numbered response. The first part being what the document's about, how does it apply, and so basically what ChatGPT is doing for me, it's condensing down all the legal terms into something that is easy for me to understand. Remember, this is not a legal interpretation. It's just something that saves me time. And it's better than not doing anything, not reviewing it at all. But it's not a legal document. We need to make sure that we understand that. Now from here, I can ask it some additional questions. Continue the conversation with ChatGPT. Here I'm going to ask it, can you make this even more simple so that I don't need to spend so much time reviewing it? So ChatGPT responds with even a simpler version of the terms of service, breaks it down a little bit more, and it helps me to understand it quicker. Again, this is not a legal interpretation, but I like doing this. It's better than not reviewing it at all, is what I would characterize this as. So it goes through, gives a number of things to think about, gives a bottom line. I can ask it an additional question, and that's going to be, are there any concerns with this document? And then ChatGPT is going to come back with their final analysis. Talk about Google can suspend or terminate the account, payments, Google can change rules, etc. A very good summary of things that I might be concerned about, so that I can think about this. And then a summary, final thoughts. So this is a good way to do something that maybe I wouldn't do because it would take so long, and I can use the power of ChatGPT to do this. Thank you.